The officials of the Nigerian Dostana Creative Club, NDCC, have paid a visit to Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria on the 17th of October 2022, where they discussed areas of possible collaboration including education, research, and mentorship. During the visit, the group was warmly received by some management staff of the university and was later taken round the university buildings like the University Library, Clinic, and Atiku Abubakar School of Social and Management Sciences. In his brief remark, the leader of the delegation, Dr. Ram Vedya, expressed gratitude for the warm reception awarded to him.
It's my real pleasure to be here after 1 year. I came last year. Dr. Sophie invited me and we toured, and you won't be, wherever I tour in the world, normally I recommend and discuss about this university.
And rated the university high for its world-class facilities and state-of-the-art structures suitable for learning. Dr. Ram, who is an Indian social worker from the United Kingdom, said in his efforts to study Africa through the African eyes, he initiated the African Study Center to promote indigenous education in the region. According to him, the center is committed to developing African education by organizing training, workshops, seminars, and conferences to help develop and internationalize local research so as to meet the growing demand for education in the region. As part of its mission, he said the Africa Study Center had kicked off the skills development project in Kano and would also introduce traditional herbal medicine studies as well as assist universities with their development projects. Earlier in his welcome address, the president of MAAUN Kano, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr,
I welcome Dr. Ram Vedya. He is a motivational speaker, influencer, life coach, basically from Nagpur, but he has been in the United Kingdom for 20 years and now a UK citizen. He graduated with merit in Sanskrit, philosophy, psychology, and postgraduate in Sanskrit with first class in the Nagpur University. He also holds a PhD in Sanskrit Darshan with specialization in integral humanism, in Vedanta and Jain philosophy.
Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, who described Dr. Ram as a motivational speaker and international scholar, expressed appreciation for the visit, adding that the university is looking forward to partner with Africa Study Center on mutually beneficial areas. Also speaking at the occasion, the Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, while admiring the eloquence of Dr. Ram, noted that,
and I'm sure all the points you have raised in your discussions, when put to use, Africa will have been one of the greatest continents on earth. MAAUN is privileged to have you here with us, and I believe if, like you rightly mentioned, that conferences, seminars, exchange of ideas will be utilized between your wealth of experience, the team you have nurtured, when put together, MAAUN, I think, will have a very good, a better team. MAAUN will become one of the greatest institutions in terms of research, in terms of looking at this cultural and historical diversity as it's related to Africa. We really need your services in the future, in the near future, because as you rightly mentioned, we are focusing on skills acquisition programs. And when we look at African population, of course, education is the only solution to the problem. Africa is rich in many respects.
Dr. Habib described the visit as a privileged one, saying that when conferences, seminars, and exchange of ideas as proposed by Dr. Ram are utilized, MAAUN would be one of the leading institutions in the areas of research and scientific development. The visit was witnessed by President of ICA Kano, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Singh, the Chairman of Dostana Creative Club, Mr. Awal Yusuf Aliyu, Public Relations Officer of Dostana, Mr. Musa Sani Aliyu, and other management staff of the university.